Today, we will look at the true meaning of self-compassion, also known as self-love, and the importance it plays in our life journey. I'm not talking about being selfish or arrogant. The self-worth I'm talking about is purely about embracing your true self, knowing you are enough just as you are, and how this enhances your reality in profound ways. First, in the context of this video, self-compassion, in simple terms, is the foundation of a fulfilling and meaningful life. It is the practice of valuing and appreciating oneself, embracing both strengths and imperfections with respect and understanding for who you are. At its core, self-compassion is not selfish or indulgent. Rather, it is a vital act of self-respect that fosters emotional well-being, resilience, and personal growth. Now let's explore the essence of self-compassion and why it really matters. Self-compassion begins with self-awareness by acknowledging who you are, what you value, and what you desire and need. It involves treating yourself with the same kindness and respect you extend to others. This means setting healthy boundaries, recognizing your worth, and nurturing your mind, body, and spirit. Self-compassion allows you to let go of self-criticism and replace it with self-acceptance, creating space for authentic joy and inner peace. When you are compassionate to yourself, you build a strong inner foundation that supports you through life's challenges. It helps you develop confidence and resilience, enabling you to navigate setbacks and failures without losing sight of your value. It fosters healthier relationships, as it sets the tone for how you allow others to treat you. Moreover, it enhances your ability to pursue your goals and dreams, free from the weight of self-doubt. As we continue with this important topic, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell. Feel free to comment in the comment section below if you feel guided to do so. By liking and subscribing, you are acknowledging the importance of self-compassion and empowering others to do so as well. The journey to cultivating and maintaining a healthy sense of self-compassion is not always an easy one. In today's world, it's all too easy to find ourselves trapped by influences that eat away at our self-esteem. From societal expectations to the unrelenting glare of social media and others that don't value you through their own insecurities, external pressures can subtly, and sometimes not so subtly, chip away at our inner sense of worth. When we allow these influences to dictate how we view ourselves, we risk losing touch with our true identities, values, and passions. One of the most tricky aspects of these influences is that they often come disguised as motivation or success. For example, advertisements and social media feeds bombard us with images of perfect bodies, lifestyles, and achievements. This constant comparison, fueled by curated snapshots of others' lives, can lead some to believe that they're not enough as they are. Over time, the cumulative effect of these comparisons is a diminished sense of self, leaving them feeling consistently inadequate and drained of self-esteem. Our communities, and yes, even family and friends, can unintentionally contribute to this wearing down effect. Criticism, especially if it is wrapped in concern, can sometimes push people away from embracing their own uniqueness. When well-meaning advice transforms into unsolicited comparisons or judgments, it creates an environment where self-doubt thrives. Similarly, cultural and societal norms might celebrate traits and behaviors that don't align with our authentic selves, forcing us to compromise parts of our identity to fit in. Moreover, the internalization of these external pressures can lead to self-sabotage. When you start believing that you are not worthy of care or happiness, you might unconsciously adopt behaviors that reinforce these negative beliefs. This might manifest as neglecting self-care routines, sabotaging relationships, or even avoiding opportunities for personal growth. Each of these actions serves as a reminder of the harmful narrative that our worth is less than others, trapping us in a cycle that may seem impossible to break. So how do you break free from these detrimental influences? It requires intentional self-reflection and the courage to reclaim your narrative. One effective strategy is to practice mindfulness, allowing yourself to recognize when negative self-talk arises and to gently challenge it. Journaling can also serve as a therapeutic tool, helping you to identify recurring patterns and understand the roots of your self-doubt. Over time, These practices foster a stronger sense of self, enabling you to filter out the noise of external expectations or disrespectful behavior from others. Another crucial step is to regulate your environment. This might mean taking breaks from social media, seeking out communities and relationships that celebrate authenticity, and engaging in activities that nurture your spirit. Surrounding yourself with positivity not only counteracts negative influences, but also reinforces the value you bring to the world. In this way, you gradually rebuild the internal foundation of self-compassion that external forces once threatened to dismantle. Finally, remember that self-compassion is a journey, not a destination. It's about continuously choosing to honor your unique worth, even when the world around you or others act otherwise towards you. The outer world does not determine your worth, nor should it manipulate you in believing something you know deep down inside isn't true. By recognizing the subtle yet powerful ways that external influences can rob you of self-compassion, you empower yourself to make choices that prove your value. Embracing who you are, flaws, strengths, and all, reminds you that the most important relationship you'll ever have is the one with yourself. Now here is the enlightening ripple effect of true self-compassion. When you cultivate self-compassion, it radiates outward, influencing how you interact with the world. It inspires you to treat others with compassion and fosters a culture of acceptance and kindness. By being compassionate with yourself, you become a beacon of positivity, encouraging others to embark on their own journey of self-compassion. In conclusion, self-compassion is a powerful, transformative practice that empowers you to live authentically and joyfully. Embrace yourself wholeheartedly, for you are deserving of love, respect, and happiness, just as you are and just because you exist. We've now come to the end of this video. I hope you have a better understanding of what self-compassion entails and how it plays an intricate role in how we live our lives. Thank you for watching and supporting this channel. Please feel free to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell so you can get notified when I upload new content. Also, by liking, commenting, and subscribing, you are not only supporting this channel, but you are increasing overall visibility and enabling this video to reach more people who may find this beneficial for themselves and possibly for others they know as well. Remember that even small acts of kindness can make a big difference in our world. Now go and reward yourself to a special treat, a dinner, or whatever else you enjoy doing. And always carry yourself as someone who knows their own worth and be the master of your own life.